Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download TikTok Live Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is really useful if you want to start live streaming directly from your PC without using any third-party software. First, open up any internet browser on your computer and search for TikTok Live Studio, then press search. From the results, click on the top website that says Download Live Studio. Once you're on the download page, click on the red Download for Windows button. After the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder from the top right-hand side of your browser and open the executable file. When the installer opens, click Install Now and wait a few moments while TikTok Live Studio installs on your system. After the installation is complete, press the Open button to launch the app. When Live Studio opens for the first time, you'll need to link your TikTok account. Click on the Login button and sign in using your TikTok username and password. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code shown on the screen using the TikTok app on your mobile phone to log in quickly and securely. Once you're signed in, then go through on-screen instructions, and your TikTok Live Studio will be ready to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download TikTok Live Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.